All right. Well, I've changed up the giveaway a little bit. Instead of doing it about once a week, I'm going to do it every day for a month. So from starting today through December the 15th, I will be doing a giveaway every day. All right. So here's how you enter. Very simple. Leave a comment on this video. Email me your YouTube ID and full name and shipping address to this email address with giveaway entry in the subject line. Very simple. Nothing you have to buy, don't have to jump through hoops. You don't have to subscribe. Just leave a comment on the giveaway video. Send me these things so that I can verify your YouTube address, and also I will have your shipping address if you win. Only entries that complete both steps will be included, okay? You only need to do this once, and you will be eligible all month in the drawing that I will do, all right? And I'm not videoing the drawing itself, so you just have to trust me that I put all your names in a jar and pull them out, and that's who wins for that one. Okay, this giveaway I highlighted on the last video, so you can see that it's packaged and it's ready to go, and it is going to Marie in Indiana, the USA. All right. So this is open internationally. So if no matter where you live in the world, if you want to enter, just do what it says here. And I will be drawing out of all of them. And so the first winner went to Australia. The second one here is going to Indiana, USA. So tomorrow, you might be the winner. What's going to be on the menu for tomorrow? It's going to be this. Let me turn this over. This is burlap that has a little snippet tree that's all done in hand stitching, slow stitching. It has the greenery down here with some embroidery flowers on there. Very cute, be very pretty, added to something of your own, or just frame for a little vignette, something like that. Accompanying it will be this little fabric booklet. Okay, very simple. These things will fit into a 5x7. I will be folding this to get it into a shipping bags that helps to protect it. And so this will be going out, and the winner of this will be announced tomorrow, the next day. So each day I will be making a short video showing what's being given away and announcing the winner from the day before. And so that way, excuse me, you'll know. Make sure that you comment on each of the giveaway videos. You must comment on each and every one of them if you want to be eligible for that particular giveaway that day, okay? Otherwise, just entering one time the way this told you, all that information sending me by email, you only have to do one time. But if you comment on each giveaway video, then I'll be drawing from those commenters on that video, okay? Alrighty, let's go and let's see how many of these things we can give away in the next 30 days and celebrate you, the community here at Icky Chic Designs. You are what make this community successful. You are what keeps me encouraged and going forward. I appreciate you so much, and this is my way of showing that appreciation. I've made a ton of things through the year, and so this is my opportunity to give back to you. And so I'm really, really happy to do this. So, okay, till tomorrow's video, take care and stay scrap happy.